have a minute? I don't. Actually, people spend about 2.5 hours a day on social media, and at least half of this time is spent interacting with brands. We spend up to 10 minutes a day reading promotional emails, and outdoor advertising steals the same amount of time from us. So 1/8 of our time, or 3 hours every day, is dedicated to interacting with those who want to take our money. Meanwhile, the pace of life is such that we are always in a rush and living in a state of no time for anything. That's why short content will triumph over long content. Let me give you an example. An ordinary office worker decides to grab a snack during their lunch break, and they have about 20 minutes to take a break from work. They know a brilliant way to distract themselves. They need to fill their mind with the maximum amount of diverse positive content. So they reach for their smartphone and open the news feed. It's perfection. Thousands of little and big pieces of vibrant information. Of course, they want to absorb as many different topics as possible. So they gather 100 small insights but scroll through long text because by reading the long text, they miss out on some opportunities to learn something new and small. Ta-da! Short content is stronger than long content because it's faster. It's as fast as life itself. It contains only the essentials, and that's why it's beautiful. By the way, for general understanding, short content is up to 50 words. Not too long content is up to 100 words. More than 100 words is too long. Who even reads that? Oxford graduate students, housewives with hired housekeepers and cookers doing all their job? I know, it's almost impossible to fit something important into 50 words, so here comes the blast alternative. Short content is up to 50 words or up to 1 minute of video. Much more can fit into 1 minute of video than 50 words. By the way, in the B2B world, videos up to 3 minutes are acceptable. That's how much, albeit reluctantly, business people are willing to spend on content they find useful. The longer your video, the more interesting it should be. For businesses, money and the benefits that turn into money are the most interesting, of course. So you are watching this long video about short content. For individual consumers, bright colors, new fun they can share with knowledgeable look, and something that falls into the 7S rule are interesting. 7S rule, yes. Sex, sport, sense of humor, scare, scandal, sensation, and money. These topics are always welcome. Combine these elements and your video will become unbeatable. And then shorten it and it will become even more unbeatable. If you find it difficult to shorten your content, well, don't shorten it. But then don't expect the attention of an always rushing audience.